Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is your science teacher Muhammad Mashood Khan, and today we are going to discuss about the question answer of chapter number 5, which is plants and photosynthesis. But before discussing question answers, let's recall some basic things about plants and photosynthesis. About plants, we say beauty to our nature, and also they are the part of our food cycle. So without plants we cannot live. Now the photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. It absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and it gives out oxygen, and the chemical reaction take place when there is sunlight. So how it happens, I have already shared the video. So let's go towards the question answer session. Is where does a plant gets its water from? The answer is plants gets their water from soil through roots. As in the figure you can see, plants have roots which are buried inside the soil. So water is absorbed by the soil, and then from soil these roots absorb water and then it is transmitted to the whole plant. Next question. Explain how water gets into plant's root. The answer is root hairs cells take in water by diffusion process called osmosis. During osmosis, water moves from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Water enters the root hair cell because the concentration outside is stronger than inside. So what it says, that the water always flows from higher concentration to the lower concentration, and it is called osmosis. So because of the osmosis, the water enters the roots. The next question is, before going to the next question, you have a figure on it, and in figure you can see diffusion and the osmosis, that the water from the higher concentration is moving towards the lower concentration. Now how are roots adapted to get water from soil? So the answer is root hair cells are adapted to get water from soil by having large surface area to speed up osmosis. You can see in the figure that the tree has a large area covered with roots. So what it means, that wherever there are roots, there are chances of osmosis. If the concentration of water is higher as compared to tree, so water will start flowing from outside to inside the tree. Means the water will move from higher concentration to the lower concentration, and by lower concentration we mean that towards the tree. Towards the tree means that the root will absorb the water and it will be transmitted to the tree. I hope you have got it. The next is, how does water travel around a plant? A network of veins spread in plant. These veins are made up of xylem and phloem tubes which carry water and food. It's a very common question. When roots absorbs water, then how it is transmitted to the whole plant? So there are small veins which are called xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloems are like a network which are spreaded in the whole plant, and what their function is to take water and food. Xylem take water and phloem takes food to every single leaf and every single stem of the plant. So I hope that you will understand this all, and if there will be any query, you will ask me. Thank you and have a nice time.